are going to discuss the exercise 6.3 questions of the chapter 6, that is triangles. So question number 1 is given here, that is state which pairs of the triangles in the figures are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the questions, and also write the pairs of the similar triangles in the symbolic form. Okay, let's start with the very first question. So if we see here in the first question, it is given that angle A is equals to angle P, then that is equals to 60 degree, angle B is equals to angle Q 80 degree, and angle C is equals to angle R is equals to 40 degree. So therefore both the triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQ, are similar by AAA similarity. In the same way, if we go for the second one, if we see here the ratios, that is AB over AQ. So AB over AQ is here AB over AB over QR, so that is 2 upon 4 1 upon 2. Then we'll take here BC over PR, that is 2.5 upon 5, that is 1 upon 2. Then AC over PQ, so that is 3 upon 6 1 upon 2. So we can find here that the ratios are equal, that is, they are in proportion. So therefore the triangle are similar by SSS similarity. Then if we go for the next one, in the third part, if we see a third part, the triangles are not similar because the corresponding sides are not proportional. In the fourth one also, the triangles are not similar because the corresponding sides are not proportional. Fifth also is there, triangles are not similar because the corresponding sides are not proportional. And in the sixth part, if we see here, so in the sixth part, if we move then we can easily see here that the two angles are given, so we can easily find the third angle. On finding the third angle, what we are seeing here that in triangle DEF, angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equals to 180. So that is equals to angle F is missing here, so angle F is equals to 30 degree. Then in the triangle PQR, if you go for the triangle PQR, then here angle P is missing, so again the value of angle P is 70. So what we are finding here, we are finding that the corresponding angles of both the triangles are equal. So it means both the triangles are similar by the angle similarity. Then moving towards the question number 2. In the question number 2, if you see here, so in the given figure ODC, if you see here the triangle ODC, this triangle ODC, this triangle, and triangle OBA, both the triangles are similar. It is given that both the triangles are similar. Now both the triangles are similar, at the same time this angle is given on 25 degree, this angle is given 70 degree. Now we have to find angle DOC, angle DOC, this angle we have to find, angle DCO, this angle we have to find, and angle OAB, this angle we have to find. So DOB is a straight line, so using the linear property we can write angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. So angle BOC is already given to us, so we can easily find angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. Now then in triangle DOC, if you see in triangle DOC, using the angle sum property, the sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. So the sum of all the three angles is equal to 180 degree. So from here we'll get the value of angle DCO, which is equal to 55 degree. Now since both the triangles are similar, when both the triangles are similar, it means this angle, that is angle DOC and angle OCD is equal to angle OAB. So this time both the angles are equal, that is corresponding angles of the similar triangle. So angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. Now moving towards the question number 3. If we see in the question number 3, the question number 3, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. So ABCD is a trapezium in which this AB is parallel to CD, intersecting each other at point O. Now we have to show that the OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Now we'll take the triangle DOC and triangle DOC, and triangle DOC and triangle BOA, DOC and BOA. Now we can see here that the angle DOC, this angle is equal to this angle, vertical opposite angle. Angle CDO, this angle is equal to angle ABO. Yes, alternate angles. In the same way, this angle, that is angle DCO, is equal to angle OAB, alternate angle. So it means by angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. When both the triangles are similar, then we have OD upon OB, then we have OD upon OB is equal to OC upon OA. So that means we can also write BO upon DO is equal to AO upon OC. This is by When both the triangles are similar, it means their corresponding sides are in proportion. Now moving towards the question number 4. So in the question number 4, if we see the question number 4, so in the figure it is given that QR over QS is equals to QT over PR, and given that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So this is given to us. Now if we see here in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means here that these sides, that PQ is equals to PR, the sides are equal because side opposite to equal angles are equal. So what we can write here? We can write here, it is given that QR over QS, it is given that QR over QS is equals to QT over PR, or we can write QR over QS is equals to QT over QP. So PR and QP are equal, so this is the reason why we have changed the value. Now we can see here in triangle PQS. Now in triangle PQS and the triangle TQR, what we are seeing here, we are saying QR over QS is equals to QT over QP, and angle Q is equals to angle Q common. So therefore triangles are similar. Triangle PQ is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity. This is by SAS similarity. Yes, okay. Then moving towards the next question. Question number 5. In the question number 5, S and T are the points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR. So this is a triangle PQR. S and T are the points on the sides where it is given that angle P is equal to this angle, that is angle RTS. We have to show that the triangle RPQ, we have to show that the triangle RPQ, this whole triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now in triangle RPQ and triangle RST, so what we can see here, it is given to us that angle this RTS is equal to angle QPS, and angle R is equal to angle R common for both the triangles. So therefore by angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. Now moving towards the question number 6. If we see in the question number 6, so now in the question number 6 it is given, so we can see here in the question number 6 it is given to us, so we can see here in the given figure ABE, triangle ABE, this triangle ABE, and triangle ACD and triangle ACD, both these triangles are congruent, and we have to show that triangle ADE, this triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So now it is given that both the triangles are, when both the triangles are congruent, when both the triangles are given congruent, triangle AB and triangle ACD, so we have here AB is equals to AC, we have here AD is equals to AE. This is given. So now in triangle ADE and ABC, in triangle AD and ABC, we can write AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC, and angle A is equals to angle A common. So therefore the triangles are similar by SAS similarity criteria. Now if we see here this part, AB is equals to AC, so can we write this AB is equals to AC as AB over AC is equals to 1. In the same way, we can also write here that this AD upon AE is equals to 1. When both are equals to 1, so we can just put them equal and cross multiplication, so we'll get this. Now moving to the question number 7. In the question number 7 it is given that from the figure altitudes AD and C of a triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. So first part we have to show that triangle AEP, this triangle AEP similar to triangle CPD. Okay, so looking here in both the triangles, if we see here that angle APE is equal to angle CPD 90 degree each. Okay, so there vertically opposite angles. Then angle AEP is equal to angle CDP 90 degree each. This is given, so it means by angle similarity criteria both the triangles are similar. Then moving towards the second part. So in the second part it is given that we have to show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE, So here we have angle ADB. So if we see both the triangles, angle ADB, so we can easily see here that angle ADB yes, equals to angle CEB, both are 90 degree each, and angle ABD is equals to angle CBE. So this is a common angle, so by angle similarity both the triangles are similar. Then the third part, so in the third part we have to consider the triangle AEP. As you can see here, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle AEP is equals to angle ADB, and angle PAE is equals to DAB, that is common, and this is 90. So again by angle similarity both the triangles are similar. Then fourth part, PDC, we have to take triangle PDC and triangle BEC. So here we can see here it is given that angle PDC is equal to angle BEC 90 degree each, angle PCD is equal to BCE common. So again triangles are similar by angle criteria. Now moving towards the next question, in the question number 8. So what is given in the question number 8? Now E is a point on the side AD. So this is the side AD, E is a point on the side produced on a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and BE intersect CD at F. Then when we join this BD, is intersect at this point. This is F. Now we have to show that triangle. Now we have to show that triangle ABE. So triangle ABE, this triangle is similar to triangle CFB, that is CFB. So how to solve this? Look here very carefully. Now as we can consider both the triangles in triangle ABE and triangle, yes, in triangle AEB, so in triangle AE, so in triangle AEB and triangle CF, so we can see here that angle A is equals to angle A. So angle A is equals to angle C, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, so both angles are equal. Then we can see here that angle AEB is equals to angle CBF, means if we see here angle AEB, so this angle AEB is equals to angle CBF, that is by alternate angles. So therefore by angle similarity criteria both the triangles are similar. Then the question number 9, in the given figure ABC, okay, AMP, so we have two right angle triangles, one is ABC, other is AMP. We have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle AMP are similar. So triangle ABC and triangle AMP are similar. This we have to show. Okay, how to show this? So looking here, and second part we have to show this, that is AB over PQ is equals to AD over PM. Now we consider the triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So we have here angle ABC. So we have here angle ABC. This angle is equals to angle AMP 90 degree each. Angle A is equals to angle A common. So by angle similarity both the triangles are similar. When both the triangles are similar, so by corresponding part of similar triangles, so we have AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Then moving towards the question number 10. If we see the question number 10, so in the question number 10 it is given that CD and GH are the bisectors of angle ACB and the angle FGE, such that D and H are the points D and H. Okay, such that D and H lie on the side AB, and EF respectively of both the triangles. And if the triangle ABC is similar to, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, both the triangles are similar at the same time. Now we have to show that CD over GH is equals to AC over FG, and triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE, and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So first we are writing here, in triangle ABC and triangle FEG both are similar triangles, so it means angle A is equals to angle F, it means angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle G. This is given. Okay, then angle ACB, it is also given that angle ACB is equals to FGE. So if we see here FGE, now so looking carefully, angle ACB, so we have here angle ACB, so angle ACB is equals to angle FGE given, and angle AC B is also given to angle FGE. Okay, this is given. Now, so therefore ACD, angle ACD is equals to angle FGH. Okay, the reason is because it is given that bisectors, so angles are bisected, it means so half of the angles are also equal. So from here we are getting, now since CD and EH the bisector of equal angles, and angle DCB, and the same angle DCB is equal to angle HGE because of the bisectors. Now after this, in triangle ACB, now we are considering the triangle ABC. In triangle ACD, now we are considering the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Now in these two triangles, angle A is equals to angle F. Okay, this is given, and angle ACD is equals to angle AF, angle FGH. This is proved above. So both the triangles are similar by angle similarity criteria. So therefore we have CD over GH. CD over GH is equals to AC over FG. Now second part, for the second part we'll consider the triangle DCB. Now triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So again here we have here angle D is equals to this angle DCB. Angle DCB is equals to angle HGE. Okay, this is proved above. And angle B is equals to angle E. This is also proved above because both the triangles are similar, or given we can say. So therefore both the triangles are similar by angle criteria. Third, angle DCA. Now we have to take the triangle DCA. So now we'll take triangle DCA and triangle HGF. DCA and HGF. Now, so we have here this angle AC. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Okay, proved above. And angle A is equal to angle A common. So therefore triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF by angle criteria. Okay, then moving towards the question number 11. So in the question number 11, in the given figure, E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB is equals to AC. So it is given that AB is equals to AC, and AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. We have to prove that triangle ABD. So we have to prove that triangle ABD is similar triangle ECF. ECF, this we have to show. Okay, so both are triangular isosceles, so it means AB is equals to, it is given that AB is equals to AC, so therefore angle ABD is equals to angle ECF. Now in triangle ABD and triangle CEF, now angle ADB and angle EFC both are 90-90 each, and this we have just proved that both the angles are equal, so therefore triangles are similar by angle criteria. Now then in the question number 12, if we see the question number 12, so what we have in the question number 12? In the question number 12, so in the question number 12, side AB and AC of a triangle and AD is the median of a triangle ABC respectively, proportion to the PQ and QR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now first we write what is given to us. So if we see here, now what is given to us? Okay, now given is, if you see the given is here, AD and PM are the medians. AD and PM are the medians. It means we have BD is equals to half of BC. We have QM is equals to half of QR. Okay, then now moving, then we have here now given that AB over PQ is equals to BC over QR is equals to AD over PM. So then this is given to us, then we can write AB over PQ is equals to BC, we can write half BC. In place of QR we are writing half QR, and AD over PM as it is. So the result we are getting is that AB over PQ is equals to BD over QM is equals to AD over PM. So it means that the triangle ABD. So now we have the triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Both are similar by SS similarity criteria. So triangles are similar. So when the triangles are similar, it means we have that angle ABD. So this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles of the similar triangles. So now we have both the triangles equal. Now in triangle ABC, now we consider the triangle ABC and triangle PQM. So we can easily write here that AB over PQ is equals to BC over QR. This is given, and angle B is equals to angle R. This is proved above. So it means by SAS criteria both the triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Now in the question number 13th, what is given to us? In the question number 13, if you see here, D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So in triangle ADC, now considering the same we are considering triangle ADC. Now triangle ADC and triangle BAC. So these angles are given equal. Now angle ACD, so this angle ACD and angle BCA both are same, that is common. So by angle criteria both the triangles are similar. When both the triangles are similar, then it means their corresponding sides are also proportional. So that means CA upon CB is equals to CD upon CA. So that the result will be CA square is equal to CB into CD. So we are writing here CA upon CB is equals to CD upon CA. So this is the way we are getting the result. Now then the question number 14th. Now in the question number 14th, so side AB and AC and the median AD. So side AB, AC and the median AD of a triangle as respective proportion to the side PQ, PR and PM of the triangle PQR. Show that the triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. So now both the triangles are given to us, that the sides are given is that the sides are proportional. So when the sides are proportional, it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM, producing AD and PM to E and L. Now we are doing the construction here, just producing them in such a way that we have AD is equal to DE and we have PM is equal to ML, or PM is equal to, yes. So AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to. Now if we see a joint B2, after joining this, now PD is equal to DC, and QM is equal to MR, and AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to ML. This all by construction. Now the diagonals of ABED bisecting each other at D, therefore ABED is a parallelogram. So we can say here ABEC is a parallelogram and okay, fine. Now similarly PQRL is also a parallelogram. So when they are parallelogram, it means opposite sides are equal. Now given that we have given is that AB over PQ is equal to AC over PR is equal to AD over PM. So we can write here AB over PQ is equal to BE over QL is equal to twice of AD over twice of PM, which is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ is equals to BE upon QL is equals to AE upon PL. So it means these two triangles are similar. Which triangle? Triangle ABE and triangle PQ, and these two triangles are similar. Now when these two triangles are similar, it means what we have here? We have here this angle, that is angle BAE is equal to QPL. Similarly, triangle AEC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have angle CAE is equals to angle CA is equals to angle RPL. So once we have proved on adding this, the result will be that angle CAB is equals to angle RPQ. Now after this, we'll take the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So we have the proof that both the angles are equal, so this we'll use, and the ratios are given equal already, proportion or given equal. So by SAS both the triangles are similar. Now Then moving towards the question number 15th, if we see the question number 15, yes. So it is given a vertical pole of a length 6 meter cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So we can see let CD with a pole AB. Okay, so this we can see here, and therefore DF and B are shadow of the poles of the towers. So in triangle AB, if we see here in triangle ABE and triangle CDF, so angle DCF is equals to BAE, sum of the angle of the sun at the same place, and this is 90 degree each, angle CDF and ABE. So by angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. When both the triangles are similar, we have AB over CD. We have AB over CD is equals to BE over QL. So just putting the values here, we get AB is equals to 42 meters. So the height of the tower is 42 meter. Now then the question number, the last question, question number 16. The question number 16 we can see here, AD and PM are the medians of the triangle ABC and PQ respectively, such that the triangle ABC is similar to this. Prove that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. So AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Now given that the triangle are similar, so when the triangles are similar, so we can say here that we have AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to BC upon QR, and angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Now since these are the median divides the side in the two equal parts, so BD is equals to BC upon 2 and QM is equals to QR upon 2. So from equation first and third we can write here AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. So now in triangle ABD and PQM, so we can see here we have AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM, and angle B is equals to angle Q. This is from equation number 2 as it is already given the question. So we can now easily see here that the triangles, both the triangles are similar. So we have AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon QM. So both the triangles are similar by SES, and we have proved that the ratios are equal, that the sides are in proportion. So thank you very much. With this we have come to an end of this exercise